Yeah. Have two box. New collection. What's the name? Oh, the monster wacky mart. See? That's what I want. Secret. Okay. I have this one too. Tempura. Tempura labubu. I like it. Okay, now ready, okay? So how you think? Which one I get? How you think?
Microwave. No.
Microwave? Microwave is secret here. But I don't have any.
Let's see.
Yeah, let's see. Then. It's not easy, honey. Here. Wow. Don't see the car. Right. Oh, maybe microwave. What is it? Huh?
Let's see. Oh, it's milk.
Oh, milk. Oh, what's the milk in it?
Does it look like?
Oh,
it's
this
that
one.
Cool.
Milk. Oh, but I don't like milk.
I like milk.
You like milk? How about you? Yeah, it's cute.
Oh, cute. It's got a
Right
bottle.
here.
Yeah.
Right here.
Stick them in.
Right here. Right?
Ears sticking out. Yeah.
Right here.
Yeah. There you go. Cute.
Oh, it's labubu. Red milk.
Nice.
Yeah, so cute. So I have one more. This one I like. Dun. Okay. Ready? Ready? You want to open?
Secret.
Secret, I mean a microwave. And then.
Oh, I don't think that is. Looks like the corn one.
Corn?
Yeah.
I like corn. What's it?
Is it pink? Huh. Oh, I think that was
Noodle, right?
Noodles, yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Oh, you wanted that
it's
one.
It's that noodle.
That's cool.
Yeah.
Oh, awesome.
Yeah, I like it. Then, now I have milk and noodle.
Cute.
Yeah, welcome. New collection.